Hi, I am DK and in this video I am giving you a first look at the Oppo Find X5 Pro. In this box, a textured case, SIM tray ejector tool and a black card. Next up is the Find X5 Pro, an 80-watt charging adapter and a USB-A to Type-C charging cable. Alright, let's take a look at the phone. The phone back is scratch-resistant ceramic back with aluminium frame and IP68 water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. There are also stereo speakers, dual nano SIM card slots. Both are supporting 5G, but unfortunately not support micro SD card. The Oppo wants to highlight two main things about the Find X5 Pro. First is that the phone is powered by Mari Silicon X, and second is partnership with Hazelblade. Oppo Find X5 Pro comes with 5000 mAh dual cell battery and 80 watt super VOOC charger that can get your phone from 0 to 50 in 12 minutes. The phone also supports 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The front panel is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. There is a punch hole 32 megapixel selfie camera on the top left and a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The phone has a 6.7 inches LTPO 2.0 AMOLED curved display and 120Hz faster refresh rate, 1300 nits peak brightness, 1000Hz touch sampling rate. Let's talk about cameras. The Oppo Find X5 Pro has there of them a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 13 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom. The phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm 5G chipset, Adreno 730 GPU, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The Oppo Find X5 Pro runs on ColorOS 12.1 Android 12 operating system. And that was our Oppo Find X5 Pro quick unboxing. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, hit that bell icon.